Hello everyone and welcome back to my tutorial, and today we will create this Japan, the first capsule hotel in the world. So I will create like two tutorials. First tutorial it will be more about how you can create this capsule like a concept part, and the second part it will be about more parametric. So in this series we will start from the concept part. So we will create with some components the capsule. So let's start it. So the first thing first, I will create the new project. So I will close this my reference and I will create the new architecture project. Let's create it. So here we are, and we will create the walls of our future capsule. We will use, for example, a generic basic wall, it doesn't matter, and let's start to create it. As we know about the capsule, that size is like 5000 by 250. 2500, sorry. I will change to the thin line, and let's see what's going on here. As you see, the capsule is really simple. Here the bathroom, smallest bathroom. Here the wardrobe and other things like the TV, like the work table and everything else. Here you can see on the pictures. So this is really simple house, but anyway we will start to do it. So first let's create the planning, the plan of our future capsule. As you can see right here, the plan is here. So let's do it. Let's say I'll do the window a bit smaller, and I will increase the size of that. For example, we will create this left part. Okay, so the first thing, I will choose the wall generic wall, and I will use the 150. Let's create the like 900 here and 900 here. Maybe even here the 700. Let's check the size. Here it's not doesn't matter a bit about the size, but we will try to make a bit more realistic, like 1500, and here it will be enough, I think around 900, but we will see it right now. Hold on. Here we will leave 1000, so this is pretty enough. Let's create the angle part, as you can see here, right? I will use the trim and I will extend it a bit inside like this. So maybe a bit so this is really what we want. Of course we can use this picture as the reference, we can load inside the project, but here I just showing you how you can play with the with these forms. So we will use the door. Actually here the door I think like 700, not bigger than 700. And as you see here, we have small gap like 50 millimeters, maybe 100. And that gap we're using for the all the shuffles. So I think it's enough. Let's see. As you see, we did already all our walls. Let's go to 3D, and as you see, the first thing, it's a bit higher than I want. As you can see, it's 8000 meters. Let's change to 2000 meters to 500. Why 2500? If we will go to the pictures, you can see here the door is around 2100, and we have here the small gap between the door and ceiling. And don't forget the ceiling, it's also have like 1500 or maybe 2000. Oh, the 100 or 200. It's only about which type the wall we are using. So here we are. The next thing, we will start work with the furniture. Let's start. I think we will start from this part. Don't forget, guys, this tutorial I'm showing only the conceptual part. In the second part we will start create everything parametric. So if you need the more parametric thing, just wait till the next tutorial and you will get it. So let's start to create our conceptual things. And again, first thing first, we should go to the right view, for example the left view. I'm using the left view for that, but before I will use, for example, I will select everything and I will use this section box. Let's use the section box and we will make it a bit deep inside. So I will cut the half of my room like this, and I will change to shaded one, because with shaded one you can work more pretty well. Let's go to the left view. Now we can work with that side, and before I will use the component, I will set my working place. It will be this plane. So now we will go to the component and model in place. As I said, we create the conceptual thing, but for the conceptual thing it's pretty enough using the model in place. So as you see here in the left side we have the shelf. Let's create the shelf like this, and it doesn't matter. Let's say it will be like 900 like this. Okay, so the second thing we need to create here, it's a bit here. Okay, I'll create it. Now I will use the command slice and I will slice this part. I will use the trim and I will trim it. Okay. And now you can see I have two separate parts, right? So the next thing, what I should do, I need to create the. Actually, I did wrong a bit. Anyway, I will do this thing like this, and one more here. So I will use the trim. I will connect that one thing. I will connect that one. That. Again, trim. So everything fine. Just we need to delete this two thing. And again, trim for that part and that part. Let's say okay. And as you see, we have the extended thing from the 0 to the 250. Let's apply and let's go to 3D. Actually, we are on the 3D. And as you see, this is pretty what we want. But actually, it's not 250. Let's make it like 200. Why not? So the 200 is more better for us, right? And after that, we should create some doors. As I said, for conceptual, it's enough to create only the forms. So let's go again to extrusion. Let's make the start to 250 and finish 275. So it means like our door will be 25 millimeter. Like this. And I will do the small gap between the first door and the second one. And I'll say okay, let's go here, and as you see we have this here, the small gap, and it looks like the door. But I did the wrong thing, as I said, because here the 2000, but I did here the start from 2500. Let's make from the 200 to 225. Why am I every time saying thousands? I don't know, sorry. Let's make it like this, and everything fine now. Of course you can create the some this thing if you need, of course, but I not will spend your time for that. Let's go now to the left view and we will create this thing. This is for the our ventilation. So again, extrusion, again we will use the rectangular, and let's create it. It's like this. And now I will choose the offset, and just by tap I can like loop it. Let's loop it and let's apply it again. As you see, we get what we want, but not right size. We will change it, no worries. So from the 0 to the 200, I think. So what we get what we want. The second thing, this shape we will create by sweep. Sorry, the wrong side. I create, sweep, and pick the path. And I will choose this path. Let's choose it. The left view, sorry. And now we should go to the front view. And actually we cannot see anything here, right? So what we're gonna do, I will cancel that one and cancel again, and I'll save the model. Just say yes, and let's just extend our section box. So let's go back again inside our model in place. Now again I will choose the sweep. Now again we should show the path, and after that now we'll go to the front view. Now we can see everything what we want. So first I'll say okay, and I will edit the profile, and let's edit the profile. Let's find here, 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 and let's trim it, everything. Okay, so fine. And here, as you can see, we have some angle, right? I think it starts from the 700, right? It's from here. Here the small gap, right, like this. Oh, this is my wrong, sorry. Where's my 3D? Where's my 3D? Oh my god, I closed. Okay, happened, sorry. I closed my 3D. So after that line, as you can see, here here the some angle here, the 90 degree, again 90 degree, and again 45 degree. And 45 degree here. No, I think even more. It's around 70, maybe 17, right? So it's like this, maybe 60, who knows. So I will slice it here, and I will use trim like this. Trim and trim again. So this is done. Let's go make it finish, and again the finish. And as you see, we get our shelf. Really cool, right? Just a few seconds and you did it. So let's create the other one. I think you can copy because this same, only this one it's a bit, we have the difference here, the angle, but this one it's pretty same. So that means I will just extend it. For example, but I cannot see any ducts here, but I don't think here is, we don't have there, right? So let's go to the sweep, and I will change the path. I will make it a bit smaller. Okay, and let's make it smaller too. We cannot do like this. We should go inside the model, and let's align it. I will use command align. Let's go to the left view, because cannot use without the left view. Okay, and here we know it's 25. Okay, nice. Let's say okay. Let's go inside this model and extend to here. Let's say okay again, and okay. Now I will copy that one part. As I said, this is pretty same with this part. And before I will copy it again, I will go to the sweep. I will go to the edit profile. Now I need edit profile. Let's choose it and edit profile. I will use command align, and let's align it to here. Let's say okay. Let's say one more time okay. As you see, we get some changes. Let's go again to the left view, and let's choose this one, and let's copy it again to here. Let's change it again. Edit the path. Let's make it smaller. Actually, we cut here the some part, but it's now it's no matter about that one. Let's change the profile. Select the profile. Edit the profile, and here we have some straight angle, right? So I will delete that thing, and I will do here the angle. Yeah, it's like this. It looks like. And let's say okay. And again okay. And again okay. And let's extend our section box. Oh, nice. Really, we did it pretty right size. But anyway, I will change it. Again, just pick the path. And as you see, it's automatically, we have the like magnetic link. Let's magnet it and let's say okay. Done. As you see, we get all our furnishing here. As I said, this is only conceptual. It's not for the working drawings, even for the design part. It's just this for the sketch one when you need to do something fast. So let's create the I think bed, and that's it for this part of tutorial. Again, I will use the component. Everything I will create here, right in our project. I will create again model and component, and I will go to the create. I will use the extrusion, the rectangular one. Let's make it like 400. Looks like 400. And as you see, we have here a bit some small the curve. Let's make it radius like 50 maybe. We'll see. Yeah, it's enough. And let's say okay, we don't need anything more. After that I will say like this is start from the 200 and till 2300 could be enough. We will see now. Let's extend it. And actually it's a bit, oh no, it's really on the side. And as you see, we get everything what we want. So the other thing, this is only the window. I have the window already. If you want, I can share with you the radius window. So with it, I need load the family. Where's my radius window? I'll check it. Just few seconds. Not that one, that one. Okay. Let's load it inside the project and let's place it somewhere. Done. So here is our window and here is on the way our capsule. Of course, we need now floor. Let's create the floor. First, I will uncheck the section box. I will go to the first floor, I mean the plan, and now I will create the floor. The first floor, let's say okay. Let's go to 3D because I love work in 3D. And I will change this floor to the smallest one. Okay, like this. And for example, that one, I will just use the command align because if you will see the pictures, we have here the floor and here our walls. And we can make the same effect like this. Okay, and after that you can join everything. Like, so let's say you want join this wall like this, like this. Oh, sorry, the last one I didn't finish. Okay, so same effect. And I will just select this floor, copy it, and paste to the second floor. Of course, here I should make like -1000, I think, but we'll see. No, 1500, I think. Let's check it out. No. -1300, it will be enough. Okay, nice. So what we're gonna do here, everything same again. I will use the align here. And let's align it. Actually, you can align one by one, or you can switch on the multiply align, like this. Okay, after that, you need just join, and you also can multiply it. Done. Here is our capsule. It's ready. It looks like this one, and inside it's everything same. Not everything, but if you will check my project, what I did here, everything the same. So guys, this is a way how you can create this type of not house. I think this is concept house. Actually, this is really great architecture because it's a very unique one. So this way how you can create it. And the next video I will show you how we can parameterize everything inside our project, inside our room. So thank you for watching, and I think we will see you next time. And that's it from today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my social media, leave some comments for this video and give some like, and see you next time.